mirror first and then clean. Hey everyone, Jackie and Jalen here, back with another video. We are so excited to show you what we're gonna be doing this season for Christmas. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna be doing some really cute projects for Christmas season. And one of the things that we always come across as furniture flippers are old mirrors. We've repurposed old mirrors before in the past, making them into some beautiful wall decor. I used old dresser mirrors for my bedroom. You've seen in probably previous videos that we've done before. But in this case, we are going to be utilizing these for Christmas. We're going to be making some Christmas countdown sign using the CO2 laser machine right behind me to help us complete this task. So I have two. I'm probably gonna do two different colors, a traditional red and green style, and then also kind of like a white Christmas type vibe, farmhouse Christmassy. So I think we're ready to get started.
All right, so I'm just gonna jump right in and let you guys know that this project was a project that we actually did last December, and because we ran out of time on the video and on the footage and things like that, we went ahead and saved the video for this season. It's still something you can utilize. There's so many old mirrors that I run to in all the time, especially as a furniture flipper, and I decided, you know what, let's go ahead and drop it about fall-ish, so that way they can, if any of our viewers wanna go ahead and grab an old mirror, they can do this project and also share it with us. Please, please, please share. We love to see in the comments work that you have done of stuff that we have done. So yeah, just if you would like to subscribe to our channel, make sure to subscribe. It means so much to us. We are going to be doing some really cool fall videos this season, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, and then that way we can go ahead and whenever the video drops of our fall decor, you'll be the first to know. So going back to that, I went ahead and I had these old mirrors and I thought it would be perfect to utilize them and make them into this really cool Christmas decor.
All right guys, I'm gonna do a close-up. So we have these really cute wreaths, and these are gonna be wreaths that we're gonna have in stock on our website. We like to decorate with these wreaths. They're gonna go behind chairs. You could decorate with them with a pretty ribbon. So we have these in stock. So if you wanna hit up our website for these beautiful wreaths, we'll put the link below. These are the pretty ribbons that we have. We have more, but I think with what we're going for, the look, we want to do something with either one of these. So we're going to do a traditional red and green theme, and then we're also going to do a farmhouse theme. So we want to make sure that we incorporate both colors. I do have a black and white ribbon. That would be cute for the farmhouse one. But I guess we'll just kind of play with it. So we're going to do the traditional one first, and then we'll do the farmhousey type one. So yeah, I don't know which ribbon I want to use. Now I did get this ribbon at Hobby Lobby. I usually like to stock up on ribbon because ribbon goes so fast at Hobby Lobby. So you're in the Hobby Lobby stores, make sure you stock up on your ribbon, and right now they are 50% off. So I got these for $5. And they're pretty big. 30 feet is pretty big. It can get me a lot of bows for what I need to do for the holiday season. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this project. I'm gonna go pull another wreath just so I can put it on there, and then we're gonna pick colors for what we're gonna do for the frames. So we decided to do this wreath for the top of where we're gonna be doing the sign. We're gonna put a really pretty ribbon. So this is gonna be our traditional one, the traditional red and green. So I have several different chalk paints that I found at Walmart. They have a pretty good selection. I got a bunch of different colors. I have crimson red, which is a chalk finish, the celery, the moss, and I believe this is the, which one is this one? Celery. Oh, celery, I got two celeries, just kidding. So these three. I'm gonna use these three in the traditional color. I don't know what color green I'm gonna use for my outside, but I wanted to do the dark green on my tree line, so I might just stick with the soft green. And then doing a white background, I'm gonna be doing the dry brush method using these, it's a hard bristle brush for painting, so that way it could give me that distressed antique look. Chalk paint actually dries a lot faster, so make sure you keep that in mind whenever you're painting. If it does start getting dry on you, you can add a little bit of water, so that way it can make it more liquidy and not dry so fast. So yeah, so let's get started.
Woohoo! This is my favorite part of any project, is the painting part, because it changes everything so drastically. So one of the things that I'm doing the celery green first on the frame, and Jalen is doing the black chalk finish. I believe I got that chalk paint from Hobby Lobby, and you can get chalk paint anywhere. I usually shop at Walmart sometimes, most of the time, because it's closer to me. We don't have a Hobby Lobby near us for probably 45 miles, so we have to utilize with what we have where we have it. So Jalen's on the black and I'm on the green, and once we were done measuring, we went to the panel saw, cut out the 5mm board, and we were able to start painting it to get it ready for the frames. So this is such a fun project, and I can't wait to show you the rest.
All right, guys, so we just finished cutting these out. These are the backgrounds to where we're going to be putting the sign. We did save the screws, which is good, because then we can use those on the same holes where the mirror was. So that's really good for us to use. So we're going to go ahead, once these are dry, we'll put that on to the back of the frames, to the windows, or I'm sorry, to the mirrors. But we're going to go ahead and go over to the CO2 laser cutter, and then that way we can go ahead and print what I have in file. So that way we can go ahead and start painting that stuff as well. It's going to be a lot, so we're going to set these aside, probably touch them up as they're drying, because you're probably going to use a couple coats of paint. So yeah, so let's get started. Yay! I'm so excited. This is my favorite. This is going to be my favorite part for sure. If you guys don't know, we actually have this really cool CO2 laser machine, and it cuts pretty much anything wood. It also engraves. One of the things that we're going to be doing along with our holiday crafts this season is we're going to be doing some tags that you can purchase on our website. Those are going to be tags that are going to have the kids' names on them. We're going to put those on the stockings, so they're going to be engraved. Or if you want to order so many, you can put them and use them as tags for your kids for the holidays. Something very cute, very personal and customized. So that's one of the things that we're going to have. If you need anything else, like wooden signs with names, custom names, wedding dates, things like that, I'll have Jalen go and grab those. They're on the mud bench, actually. She can go grab those so we can show you exactly what we could do on this machine. This machine's really cool. On this side of the shop, we have a metal CNC, and those are also on our website. Those you can do pretty much anything that you want to do as far as metal work goes. John, my husband, he actually did a metal sign that was our wedding song, our first dance song. We have it on TikTok if you want to see it, or also we have it on our website. So yeah, so make sure you check out that product. Jalen just went ahead and grabbed those signs for me, but that way I can show you more or less what this machine does. So it could do this and do a really cute thing. This is on TikTok shop as well as our website. If you are in the market for something like that, we have these. We also have this one in the black and the stain. If you're needing a custom sign, something that you need for your business, we can do that too. So make sure to check out our website. just finished putting on the backs to, we're basically, we put a piece of wood, the wood that we painted, we went ahead and put that on. We got Christmas music playing. We're getting in the holiday spirit. So this just finished, so I want you to come close in, that way you can take a look. So we have the ornaments and we have the numbers. We're gonna end up doing 2 different themes, remember, on the actual design. So we're gonna do the tree at the bottom. That's gonna look really pretty. We're gonna do some other things for the bulbs, and then also Days Until Christmas. The kids are going to love this. Now, I don't know which one I'm gonna do in my home. I might do the traditional red and green. But yeah, so this is what we're going for. We're gonna cut another piece. I got the piece right here. So that way we can go ahead and put that in, go ahead and cut that, and then we have 2. But we can go ahead and at least start on at least 10 of these letters. Jalen's gonna do hers. I think we're gonna do the 2 tones of the stains because it's gonna give it that really warm tone of what we were going for the white Christmas, farmhousey Christmas. And then of course, with the red and green, we're gonna do, I'm thinking either stained or greens, like different shades of green, and then a red, and then do the colors different. So that way it's more fun, it's more festive. But yeah, we're just gonna play with colors and see what we can come up with. So let's go. Thanks again, guys, for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out our website. We're going to post a link below for these beautiful wreaths that you can purchase, as well as the stencil cutouts that we did on our CO2 laser machine. And as always, if you'd like to see more of our work and fun videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give a huge thumbs up on this video, and make sure to hit the bell for notifications for when another video drops. We'll catch you in the next one.